to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about methods of hash table. In the previous video, we have already seen how to declare a hash table and also how to add the values inside the hash table. So here we have a hash table called table and it accepts key value pair. So data type for key is string and for value integer. We have added the values here and we are trying to print that hash table. This is the output we got. Now we want to check some inbuilt methods for a hash table. So here I will say sysout table, which is our hash table, and here you could see there are inbuilt methods here. So here I have a method called size. So what this method does, this method is used to return the number of records present inside our hash table. If I run this code, we are getting here 3 because there are 3 records in our hash table. We have added here 4 records, but here the key was duplicated, right? Grapes is duplicated, so it will store grapes only a single time with the updated value, which is 90. So this is the use of size method. Now next method that we want to see here is get method. So what does this get method do? This method is used to find a particular record. So here it takes one argument. So basically we need to pass here key and we will get the record for that key. So if I pass here apple and run this code now, so we are getting here value of apple. So what is the value of apple? 150. So we are printing here 150. If I change the record to orange and run this code now, so we are getting here 50 because the value of orange is 50. And if I pass here banana and let's run this code now, we are getting here null because there is no key banana in our hash table. So there is no record with key banana. So that's why we are getting here null as a value. Now next method we want to learn is remove method. So what does this remove method do? As the name suggests, it will use to remove a particular record from your hash table. So there are two remove methods. So first one is which takes a single argument. It will just take a key and it will return us the integer and it will delete that particular record. And another is a remove method with two arguments. It will take key and also value and it will return boolean. Let's first learn this method which takes one argument. What the one argument it will take? It will take a key. Now let's pass orange as a key and let's run this code now. So it is returning 50 and let me try to print the hash table after removing the record. Let's run the code again. So this is our hash table. Now we are trying to remove orange. So this method returns the value of it. So value of orange is 50 and then it has removed also, right? Because we are not able to see orange now. We are just seeing two records, apple and grapes. So when you want to remove a record and want to return a value of that record, you can use remove with one parameter. And if you want to have a boolean value as a return from a remove method, then you need to pass key and value. So if I pass here orange and also pass its value, so value of orange is 50. Now this record will return me a boolean result. If I run this code, so it has returned me true because it was able to remove a record with key as orange and value as 50, which is present inside our hash table. And then we are able to remove the record. If I change 50 to 60, then what will happen? Because there is no record with key as orange and value as 60. The value is 50, but we are trying to remove a record with value 60. See, we are getting here false because it was not able to delete a record with value as 60. So that's why we are getting the same hash table which was initially printed. So these were some of the useful methods for hash table. In the next video, we will see how to iterate over this hash table.